Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Corey. If you're new here, also, sorry if it's echoing in here. I don't know why it is. It normally isn't. But anyways, if you're new here, my name is Corey, and I post a lot of videos like the one you're watching now, and also weekly vlogs, what I eat in a day, and just different things here and there. Please consider subscribing because it really means a lot to me, and we have a lot of fun over here. And also make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to make more like this. As you guys can probably tell by the title, I'm really excited for this video. I am going to be doing a full day of eating like Whitney Simmons. I have followed Whitney Simmons literally since the beginning of her YouTube channel. I was a Whitney stan from the beginning. I'm very surprised I haven't made this video yet, honestly. So that's what we're doing today. I really like her videos because she is very honest about, you know, I still do eat candy here and there, but I also try to eat healthy and all of that stuff. It's very realistic and very close to kind of how I eat. So, very excited for this video. So obviously we're starting out with breakfast because that's the most important meal of the day. And if you are a Whitney fan, you would know that she eats oatmeal religiously. I don't know if she still does because she hasn't been posting as much of those kinds of videos, but when I personally think of Whitney Simmons, I automatically associate her with oatmeal, the instant oatmeal from Trader Joe's. So that's what we're going to be having for breakfast today. I am a big oatmeal fan myself, but first I'm starting off with some water. This is my hydro jug. If you guys want to check them out, I do have them linked below, and if you do shop through me, I do make a little bit of money. So let's make some breakfast. I'm actually really excited. I kind of want oatmeal this morning. Hey guys, so it is a little bit later. I don't really know what time it is, but we're about to head to the gym, and I just wanted to show you my new workout fit. My mom got it for me for my birthday, and it's very cute. Let me show you. So this whole set is from Bow & Tea. I found out that's how you say it, not Boo & Tea. It's this two-piece little short crop top combo in like a peachy color. It's like a salmon pink, but it's so cute, and it's really flattering and like good material now. And my shoes, they're Nike Metcons. I wear an 8.5-ish, and they fit perfectly. Jack got me those for my birthday, and I am obsessed with them. I've worked out in them once. Fun fact, I actually have an extra bone in my right foot, so whenever I'm wearing shoes that aren't very supportive, and especially in the gym, my feet start to hurt so bad. So if I have to have like good quality shoes so I don't, you know, hurt my foot too bad, and these are great. I lifted weights in them, I did leg day, and I ran in them, and they were great for both. If you guys are in the market for some new gym shoes, definitely try these out. So today at the gym, I am doing cardio and abs, and I might do some something else, I don't know. Okay, and I am drinking, let me go get it. And I'm just having a little pre-workout cocktail, so to speak. So I am having the Beyond Raw Lit pre-workout. It's the strawberry lemonade flavor. It's very, very good. My grandma got me this for my birthday. I feel like everything I'm showing you is for my birthday. And I mixed it with this pump stuff from Campus Protein. It's just like a stem-free pre-workout, and it helps you get a little bit more of a pump when you're at the gym, if you know what I mean. I really like it. You can also take it by itself if you are working out later in the day and you don't want any more caffeine, or you had too much caffeine already. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to get a little discount at Campus Protein if you're interested. Basically what it is like a bunch of different workout supplements at a discounted price, which we love to hear it. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll have a link down below for you. Alright friends, and now it is lunchtime. This is my favorite meal of the day, and like I said in the beginning, I've watched a ton of Whitney Simmons videos, especially her What I Eat in a Day videos from back in the day, and she loves a good Mexican inspired dish, so I just made a little burrito bowl with jasmine rice, ground turkey, avocado, beans, corn, and I made some chipotle ranch, well, chili ranch. It was basically just ranch mixed with chili powder, and it was so good and so filling. I didn't even need a snack afterwards. And moving swiftly along into dinner, I feel like we're going through this video very quickly, and I'm kind of sad about it because I really enjoyed this what I eat in a day. So basically I just made some potatoes with truffle oil, some garlic, pepper, salt, parsley, and I think that's all I put on it. Yep, it was. And I just tossed it with my hands and put it in the air fryer for about 20 minutes-ish. And then I cooked up some spinach on a griddle, and I also made some chicken, as you saw in the beginning of this clip. And then I just put some garlic with the spinach and some oil and some salt. This takes like 3 minutes to make. And after watching a lot of Whitney's videos, these are dinners that she makes like typically on a typical night. Just something very easy, very simple, but delicious and good for you. Which I thoroughly appreciated because ain't nobody got time to be making gourmet meals every night in the kitchen. Alright, so now it is dessert time, and I am going to make something that I just remember from a very random video from Whitney Simmons. And that is just some fresh fruit and some Cocoa Whip. So Cocoa Whip basically is just a dairy-free version of Cool Whip. So that is what I'm gonna have for dessert. I just really feel like having some fresh fruit. So let's do that. And it's also strawberry season, so like... so good. If you haven't had strawberries and Cocoa Whip yet, you're missing out. Because what I do is I freeze mine in the freezer, and it literally turns into ice cream. And it's only like something like 25 calories for like a lot of it. So best combo ever. Alright, so I guess I'm just going to end the vlog here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really means a lot, and it lets me know that you guys want to see more videos like this in the future. If you have anybody that you want me to eat like, just comment down below because I'd love to try someone else's diet for a day and try out new recipes and stuff. So if you aren't already, you know the drill. Make sure you're subscribed. Can't get over how good this is. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Go outside and do something that makes you happy today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!